Dear friends, in this video, let us have a small discussion on personal segment advances in banks. Mainly the personal segment advances consist of housing loans, education loans and vehicle loans. Of course, some other loans also available, that is pension loans. Against pension also they will get loan, against salary also they will get loan, and for purchase of consumer goods they will get loan. So all these loans are available in the bank. Loans against gold ornaments also is becoming very popular in banks. The demand for the personal segment advances, that is housing loans and car loans and other loans, is increasing day by day. Why? Because the income what they are earning is very good income, as both husband and wife are employed. Further, their lifestyle is also changed. It is a fast lifestyle. They have to go in time. Nowadays, there are no joint families and only satellite families. That means the people, once they get job and all these things, they want to have a separate family. So for having a separate family, they require all household articles as well as house. So, and also in this case, once upon a time, all the luxurious items now became essential. If anybody is having a car, we used to say, oh, but nowadays, car is a common thing. And further, banks have developed various products to the requirement of the salaried employees and also professionals and all these things, who are able to generate good income and able to pay the installment. Let us have a small briefing on housing loans. That is, loans given for house construction or purchase of apartments. All these things now we will discuss. The age limit is, they have fixed as 18 years. Minimum age limit is 18 years and maximum up to 60, and beyond 60 also they will allow depending upon the conditions, and some banks will allow up to 70 years also, yes. Verify the income proof as well as residence proof, all these things before financing housing loans. And further, they will inspect the site also. Here, income proof means if they are salaried persons, they will verify the salary particulars. What is net monthly income? That means the income which they are deriving after all standard deductions. And net annual income, that is yearly income. What is the yearly income they are getting? And on that basis also, particularly in respect of the professionals, they will, doctors and lawyers and all these things, they will verify the income tax returns and verify their income proof. Then residence proof, as you are aware that Aadhaar card and as well as their other telephone bills, etc. they will verify, and in addition to that they will take the PAN number also. So basically they will require, in certain cases the banker will finance for purchase of plot, that is open site, but subject to there he has to construct within 1.5 years, he has to construct house. Banker will verify net monthly income of the person and also annual income of the person. Net monthly income in respect of the salaried people and annual income in respect of the professionals, particularly lawyers, doctors, etc. etc. And for annual income, they will verify income tax returns. For net monthly income, they will verify the salary certificate given by their employer. Here, the loan installments are fixed on net monthly income and annual income, and they will judge the repaying capacity of the customer. In respect of the housing loans, the banker will take the mortgage of the linked documents and registered documents, and all these documents are verified by the advocate thoroughly. And in addition to that, there is a valuation report. The valuer will value the property, and on that basis the banker will arrive the loan component of the customer. In respect of the construction of house, the banker will release in installments depending upon the progress of the work the borrower has completed. In certain cases, even for furnishing the house also they will give in addition to their housing loan requirement. Banker has to recover principal as well as interest within this equated monthly installment. All these things they will calculate and then arrive the installment limit for each customer. If the customer is at younger age, he will get the equated monthly installment very less. Housing loans, the security the banker will take is title deeds. They will create equitable mortgage on the house property. And banker has every right, in case of default, they will go to Surface Act. So SERSA registration is also, that means to avoid frauds and all these things, they will do SERSA registration also. And certain times the banker will insist with the sub-registrar to appear whatever the registered mortgage also in the encumbrance certificate. So all these precautions they will take, and they will do inspection at a regular interval as per their bank's prescribed norms. All the parameters the banker will look into the aspects while financing housing loans. So in nutshell, this is housing loan. The car loans are given for salaried employees and professionals employed depending upon their income capacity and repayment capacity. In respect of salaried employees, they will see what is their net monthly income. And in respect of the professionals and doctors, lawyers and all these things, they will verify the net annual income. Net monthly income is nothing but after deducting the standard deductions by the employer. So after that, the banker also will decide how much installment they can fix, because whatever the monthly income he will receive, whether it is sufficient for repayment of loan after his consumption, after using his consumption purpose. In respect of the annual income, they will verify the income tax returns, and whether the income tax returns filed by the professionals is correct or also they will verify. Okay, this is the in broad the income criteria they will take, and the banker will arrive the eligibility depending upon their annual income as well as net monthly income. All these things they will verify, and they will provide certain cushion for their consumption purpose also. In car loan, the main security is hypothecation of the car. So our registration, that is banker's registration, is, and with the RTO, the banker's registration also there, and it is hypothecated to certain banks they will mention here. And insurance also required here in respect of the car loan, it is mandatory. And further, here in respect of the car loans, the age limit also they have fixed minimum 18 years. They should have a driving license, it is okay. If they are not having driving license, one of their family member should have a driving license so that to run the car. Otherwise, if they want to engage a driver, it's okay. But thing is, the car should be driven by the license holder. In inspection also, the banker will at a regular intervals he will inspect the car. Education loan is very good loan for the students who are meritorious and they want to continue their study without interruption. Loan is given up to 10 lakhs and certain times up to 20 lakhs depending upon their education. Even foreign students, that means the persons who want to go to foreign countries and they want to study foreign countries also, they will get loan. And a certain limit they have fixed. Each bank will have a different limits, and up to certain limits, up to 4 lakhs, there is no security. Above 4 lakhs, there are securities. That means collateral security, the customer, that is the student, he has to provide along with his father or parents. Oh, this is education loan, and it should be repayable after getting a job within 6 months, payable after 1.5 years of the completion of the education or after 6 months after getting a job. So this is in nutshell the education loan, and other guidelines are differs from bank to bank, and the customer can approach a bank. And in respect of the gold loans, everybody knows it is given consumption purpose, and here the gold is valued by the approved valuer, that is appraiser. A goldsmith will be there in the bank, and he will verify the gold ornaments, and he will arrive a limit, and on that limit the banker will finance to gold loans. Usually against the gold ornaments, whatever they will give within 1 year, they will ask for repayment. Further, the banker will time to time appraise the value of the gold also and ornaments secured to them. So all these things in respect of in nutshell gold loan. So these are the personal segment, and other loans also there against pension. If a pensioner is there and he is drawing a good pension, loans also there. That is, if a pensioners they want to have a loan, they can take the loan depending upon their pension eligibility. and salaried employees for their consumption purpose. All these things they can take against their salary, and they will give the salary certificate to the banker, and there will be a type arrangements also. The certain times the banker will ask salaried that is employer to give a arrangement letter, so that the amount will be recovered from the salary directly and credited to the loan account. So all these are the precautions we have to take. These are the simple personal loans. So all these are things I want to cover in this video about the personal loans. In nutshell, these are the personal loans given in a banks.